Join metal and mastery through welding technology.
I'm Virgil Holland. I'm the program coordinator for welding technology at West Kentucky Community and Technical College. What makes it unique is that it is a program that can take someone from the very bottom floor of welding all the way to pipe welding.
Every step I take, I'm becoming something true.
They can actually achieve certifications from a national set of standards. We are an accredited test facility, which is one of only 2 in the state that can actually certify them to AWS standards.
I came to this place because I did some experience at the Tillman Hub during high school, and I kind of didn't know what I wanted to do at the time. I was like, yeah, I'll give welding a shot. I went and did that for 2 years there, and I loved it. When I heard I had a chance to get into this program here, I took it as fast as I can because I know it kind of fills up pretty quick.
Every step I take, I'm becoming something true.
Our best thriving students are ones that are eager to learn new things that are a challenge. The things that welders have to endure and do and learn about are things that are really deeply rooted in math. We have a lot of math problems that we have to work through and do. There are issues that come about that have to be taken care of with more brain than brawn. So we need very smart people building the things that we're going to be trusted with our lives.
The welding program taught me how to do stick, MIG, and TIG welding. I was able to come in the workplace with somewhat experience enough to be able to work here as an employee. We build doors, showers, countertops. Welding is something you can't perfect over a day. It's over a period of time you'll get better and better.
They can very easily go onto our website and do a program search for welding. You'll find the welding program and all my contact information is listed right on there. 270-534-3340. My email address is virgil.holland@kctcs.edu.
Success starts at WKCTC. Apply now. Do more, be more, earn more.